Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of skincare and exploring how the vitamins you consume can have a profound impact on the health and appearance of your skin. While many people focus on topical treatments, incorporating these key vitamins into your diet can work wonders for your skin's overall health and radiance. Beauty truly begins from within, and your diet plays a crucial role in the appearance of your skin. While many vitamins can be applied topically, ingesting them through your diet or supplements allows them to benefit your entire body, not just your face. A vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D can be produced by your body through sun exposure. However, due to the risks associated with sun exposure, it's important to obtain vitamin D from dietary sources. Found in fatty fish and dairy products, vitamin D boasts antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for acne-prone and inflamed skin. Vitamin D deficiency is common worldwide, highlighting its importance in our diets. Vitamin C. While many people already consume vitamin C through their diet, increasing your intake can offer numerous benefits for your skin. Vitamin C is known for its ability to brighten the skin, reduce redness, and diminish the appearance of under-eye circles and hyperpigmentation. It also plays a role in collagen production, making it ideal for anti-aging purposes. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a superhero for glowing skin, promoting the production of fresh new skin cells. It contains retinoids, which fight signs of sun damage, promote wound healing, and boost collagen production. Vitamin A acts as an exfoliant, improving skin tone and texture, and is effective in treating acne by normalizing oil production and preventing clogged pores. Vitamin E. As a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, vitamin E can be applied topically or consumed through foods. It improves blood circulation, which can firm and revitalize the skin. Vitamin E also strengthens the skin's barrier, protecting it from the sun and preserving moisture. Additionally, vitamin E may reduce the risk of heart disease, improve lung health, and alleviate menstrual cramps. Beta-carotene. Found in carrots, leafy greens, and cantaloupes, beta-carotene protects the skin from sun damage by making it less sensitive to sunlight. It is a potent antioxidant that can also slow cognitive decline. Remember, beauty is more than skin deep. The vitamins you consume through your diet are just as important as the skincare products you apply. By incorporating these vitamin-rich foods into your meals, you can nourish your skin from the inside out and enjoy a healthy, radiant complexion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Stay beautiful inside and out.